My mommy told me, have I ever seen Chef? And I told her, that bitch, what to do. I like to go and watch Chef like every day. My mama says I just suck dick and I'm gay. When I like to say that I'm the bestest bitch that I heard. And I got these bitches over here, they don't know that they watching this shit like the Chef fucking movie. Got these motherfucking bitches smoking weed, fucking doobies, niggas like, and the bestest bitch you've heard like every day. And I don't know, bitch, but I'm pissing on you niggas like a motherfucking faggot. You can motherfucking bag it like employee at Walmart, bitch. I don't know, bitch, but I can tell you that I always spit as bestest on the day. I always spit as best as I was bullied at school for liking Chef. I told that nigga, bitch, take a breath for that motherfucking shit like the motherfucking weed. I don't know, bitch, got the shit I motherfucking bleeding shit, Chef. And that's what I do. I don't know, bitch, I got the shit I never fucking do. You faggots, because I got bullied in school, so I am a white boy, so I shot in my school with pistols. And when I get older, I am going to be smoking crystals, but that's what I do anyway, so I'm gonna stop now, because I am gay and that's what I do, so suck my dick, bitch.